is called the Dreamcatcher. Native Americans believe that there are both good and bad dreams in the air during night. It was invented in mid-1800s by the Ojibwe tribe in North America. There are so many tribes and Ojibwe is one of them. The best color is blue and white because it means hope and pureness. Mine is I made Tree of Life. One of its specialty is that it moves around on its own. Benefits of having them. Dream catchers are good luck charms that reflect positive energy and aid in neutralism in negative energy, whether you are awake or asleep. Having a dream catcher in your room provides a sense of tranquility and calmness. It provides pleasant energy during the day and night. You can use as wall hanging or even pretty good for home decor. Thank you.